SoFi Technologies has made a significant announcement unveiling a new opportunity for retail investors to access investments in private market funds. On Wednesday, the company introduced 3 new funds, one of which is the Cosmos Fund, which is uniquely designed to hold SpaceX stock. This groundbreaking move opens doors for accredited retail investors who have previously faced limited options when attempting to invest in private companies. The Cosmos Fund stands out due to its exclusive focus on SpaceX, which is the private aerospace company led by Elon Musk. SpaceX has an estimated valuation exceeding $200 billion, and it is not publicly traded, making it a challenging asset for most investors to access. However, the company maintains an internal trading system that enables employees and current investors to buy and sell shares. This trading mechanism indirectly supports funds like Cosmos, allowing retail investors an indirect entry point into SpaceX. This initiative aligns with SoFi's broader goal of democratizing investment opportunities. A survey conducted by SoFi highlighted that more than 87% of investors expressed a strong interest in gaining exposure to privately held companies. Among these companies, OpenAI, SpaceX, and Epic Games emerged as the top 3 most sought after by retail investors. This survey underscores a growing appetite for investments in high-growth private firms that are not yet listed on public exchanges. Through its partnership with Templum, SoFi now offers access to 3 funds: the Cosmos Fund, the Pomona Investment Fund, and the Stepstone Private Markets Fund. These funds aim to bridge the gap between retail investors and private markets. Anthony Noto, the chief executive officer of SoFi, emphasized that historically, the retail investor community has faced significant barriers when trying to invest in privately held companies. Noto noted that this announcement represents another milestone in SoFi's mission to help its members achieve financial independence by providing them with opportunities to invest in some of today's most sought-after private companies. He further elaborated on the importance of these new funds, stating that SoFi is committed to empowering its members by offering access to potentially lucrative investments that were once reserved for institutional investors or ultra-high net worth individuals. By including funds like Cosmos in its portfolio, SoFi is setting a new standard for accessibility in the investment world. Investing in the Cosmos Fund, however, comes with specific requirements. Interested investors must be accredited and meet a minimum investment threshold of $25,000. Additionally, the offering period is limited, running from December 4th through December 19th. These requirements ensure that participants are prepared for the unique risks and opportunities associated with investing in private market funds. Beyond the Cosmos Fund, there are other avenues for gaining exposure to SpaceX. The Ark Venture Fund allocates 12.4% of its assets to SpaceX, while also holding shares in other high-profile private companies such as OpenAI and Epic Games. This fund offers diversification within the private market space and is accessible to all SoFi members through the platform's brokerage services. This broader accessibility allows retail investors to diversify their portfolios with shares in revolutionary companies at the forefront of technology and innovation. In other news, looking at its performance over the past months, SoFi Technologies has demonstrated a notable upward trend. Its shares have appreciated by over 10% during this period, significantly outpacing the finance sector's modest growth of less than 1% and the S&P 500 index's gain of just over 1%. This strong performance signals investor optimism and reflects the company's ability to capitalize on market trends and deliver value to its shareholders. Anticipation is building around SoFi Technologies' upcoming financial results. The company is projected to report earnings per share of 4 cents, which represents a remarkable 100% increase compared to the corresponding period from the previous year. Revenue is estimated at $661.71 million, marking an increase of over 11% from the same quarter last year. This consistent growth highlights the company's resilience and ability to maintain upward momentum even in challenging economic conditions. For the entire year, analysts are forecasting earnings of 12 cents per share and a total revenue of $2.52 billion. These figures indicate impressive year-over-year growth of over 133% in earnings and more than 21% in revenue. Such projections underscore the company's ability to scale its operations and achieve sustained financial success. A critical factor for investors to consider is the role of analyst estimates in influencing market sentiment. Adjustments to these estimates provide valuable insights into the evolving business landscape and near-term prospects of a company. When analysts revise their estimates positively, positively, it often signals heightened confidence in the company's future performance, profitability, and market positioning. Our research indicates that changes in these projections are closely linked to short-term stock movements. To leverage these dynamics, a proprietary rating model evaluates estimate revisions and assigns ratings ranging from number 1, which indicates a strong buying opportunity, to number 5, which indicates a strong selling opportunity. Stocks with a number 1 ranking have historically outperformed, delivering average annual returns of over 25% since 1988. SoFi Technologies is currently assigned a Zacks rank of number 2, which means it is a buy, reflecting its favorable positioning in the market. Over the past month, the company's consensus earnings per share estimate has remained steady, reinforcing analysts' confidence in its financial outlook. In terms of valuation, SoFi Technologies is trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 131.49. This is significantly higher than the finance sector's average forward price-to-earnings ratio of 12.58. While this premium valuation may suggest elevated expectations for the company's future growth, it also indicates strong investor confidence in its long-term potential. Another key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings to growth ratio, which currently stands at 2.59 for SoFi Technologies. Unlike the traditional price-to-earnings ratio, the price-to-earnings to growth ratio accounts for anticipated earnings growth rates, providing a more comprehensive valuation perspective. By comparison, the financial miscellaneous services industry, to which SoFi Technologies belongs, has an average price-to-earnings to growth ratio of 1.1. The financial miscellaneous services industry is part of the broader finance sector and currently holds a Zacks industry rank of 60. This places it in the top 24% of all industries analyzed, with over 250 industries ranked in total. Research from Zacks consistently shows that industries within the top 50% outperform those in the lower half by a factor of 2 to 1. This advantageous positioning further strengthens SoFi Technologies' market outlook. Beyond the numbers, it is important to highlight the broader significance of industry rankings and valuation metrics. The Zacks industry rank evaluates the collective strength of individual stocks within a given group, offering a unique lens through which to assess overall industry performance. Companies like SoFi Technologies that operate within high-performing industries often benefit from positive momentum, increased investor attention, and heightened growth opportunities. As the market evolves, it is essential for investors to stay informed about these metrics and the broader trends influencing SoFi Technologies and its industry peers. In the end, SoFi Technologies is revolutionizing the way retail investors approach private markets by introducing new funds that provide direct exposure to some of the most innovative companies in the world. The Cosmos Fund in particular represents an unprecedented opportunity for investors to gain indirect access to SpaceX's private stock, while the Ark Venture Fund offers diversified exposure to other prominent private firms. This initiative underscores SoFi's commitment to breaking down barriers and providing broader access to financial opportunities. Analysts are optimistic about SoFi Technologies' upcoming financial results, which are expected to showcase significant year-over-year growth in earnings per share and revenue. SoFi Technologies operates within a high-performing industry, as evidenced by its favorable Zacks industry rank. This, combined with its strong fundamentals and positive analyst outlook, positions the company for continued growth and success in the future. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.